Hello everyone, my name is Nicholas, the Part-Time Thrifter, a balance online and Amazon for profit. And quite a catchy, let's say, thumbnail. Okay, have I managed to actually escape the 9 to 5? Okay, so if this is the first time you're actually watching my channel, okay, Part-Time Thrifter, the reasons to why I'm called Part-Time Thrifter is because I used to do this part-time, okay, and now I do it full-time. I used to be a full-time math teacher in high school, and now I actually sell Barbies for a living. That's what I eventually actually do. So what we're going to look through, okay, so now we're going to go through the December figures, okay, so really what the goal is, guys, and when I actually said to myself, right, Nick, you can actually take some time and run your business properly, plus have the family time, okay? But I need to make sure that I can still make the same wage as I had even as a teacher. So my teacher salary was 41,000 for the year. That was for my teaching salary after, I want to say, nearly 10 years. After 10 years, I got to 41,000, which is good, okay? But anything extra, if I wanted to do any extra money, because you can get a lot of extra money as a teacher, it means your weekends are gone. I like my weekends, I like spending time with my family, so therefore I chose to do something different. And in September time, I actually started doing Amazon and YouTube full time. And I've been actually keeping a tally chart and a spreadsheet. And in every month, I actually go through how much earnings we've actually got for this month and what is the profit for that month to go. So the next one here for us, okay, we have got is December clearly. Obviously, it is January the 9th. I apologize that this video coming out quite late, but we've got this December, and I'm going to go through the different sources of income, okay? So the different sources of income for myself are Amazon to begin with, okay? Amazon, then we've got affiliates, and then we've got eBay, and down at the bottom is YouTube. I need to actually fix YouTube, okay? I was actually looking at my, how much you actually, RPM, how much you actually get paid per view, and then per 1,000 views even, sorry, and that's actually dropped significantly for us, which means that I've not been producing either good content or enough content, so I need to actually be sorting that out. So let's start first of all with YouTube, okay? So YouTube, the amount of money that we got paid by YouTube, sorry guys, I do got my spreadsheet there, but for some reason I've not got YouTube. I've just uploaded the last 2 affiliates, but I'm missing YouTube on it. So it's very, very simple, okay, because literally it is the only thing that actually goes in my other account is the money from YouTube, and that was 84, 84 and 55 pence. So that's a big difference, okay, from last month, okay? So last month was 121 and 15. Massive difference between me producing content and not producing content. So we start with 84.55. That is how much we've actually got from YouTube. Continuing on, only 100 quid profit from eBay, even though we've got over 10,000, I think, now, where I've got a 90-day total. I've only got a profit of 100 quid on eBay. The reason being is because I'm using my Amazon stock to fulfill my inventory on eBay, so therefore my Amazon stock I'm considering as profit from the Amazon, okay? I've used Seller Toolkit in order to calculate all this profit when it comes to Amazon, and I've got the link below in the description for anyone who wants to try a 2-week free trial, and that also calculates the profit from eBay. So all I've got to do is, when something sells on eBay and being fulfilled by Amazon, I simply put how much money I got paid by eBay after all the fees, and therefore it's calculated for us in Seller Toolkit. So that was 100 quid in eBay. So the next thing we've actually got is affiliates, okay? So we've got a lot of different payments for us, and if I have a running total, it gives me a total of 1,200 77 and 22 pence. So that is the total from affiliates, okay? 1,277 and 22 pence. So in September we had 500. We've got 959, 1295 previous month November, and 1277 this month. So that is the affiliates, okay? So this is all the hard work that I've actually been doing with this channel, YouTube. Even though YouTube doesn't pay me enough money, obviously, because clearly I'm not doing, I don't know, maybe enough content. I am getting money as a thank you from you guys that are actually watching the channel and clicking on those affiliate links, okay? That makes a big difference for us, because now and again, that's one of the other reasons as to why I was like, Nick, you can do this. Okay, your mortgage can actually be paid with affiliates if you actually try. So this is what's happening now. My mortgage is being paid by affiliate payments, which is amazing for me. Because considering I've only got a small channel, okay, 3,500 people, and I'm not that regularly updating on Instagram. I'm definitely not regularly updating on YouTube, but somehow it seems to be like people are clicking on links, so I'm forever grateful for that. And the big one for us, okay, the big one for us is how much money I actually made from Amazon, okay? So I'll just need to double check because I put that figure in 2 weeks ago for Amazon profit, but I hadn't actually inputted my latest prep fee invoice. So I'm just going to go on my Seller Toolkit and go previous month, okay? So previous month with 65,895, yeah, and let's have a look. Prep fees of 445. For anyone's interested, how much I actually paid for prep, also that's something to mention for us, is 4,445 and 50 pence for the month of December. I made 11,302, so 11,302. So therefore, that means for the month of December, my total as somebody who's selling Barbies from his garage, which the garage has had a nice little upgrade, we got a profit of 12,540 and 60 pence. Clearly, something's working correctly, okay? How did we actually scale this, okay, from having a profit of getting 2,000 to 12,000, okay? What happened? I did mention, and I was quite open about it in September time. Amazon offered me a loan of 32,500, and it was only going to cost me 2,000 for the year. The way I saw that is Amazon basically gave me an opportunity to pay myself, and it's only going to cost the company 2,000. That's the way I saw that loan, and that's why I took it. And clearly, you can actually see I've been able to actually work that loan, and we got a 10,000 month November profit altogether, and then I got 12,540 pounds, which is absolutely amazing. And we've got a running total. Okay, so running total is we had the whole year, okay, as a teacher, working. It's not a 9 to 5 as a teacher. Yes, you do get your lovely holidays, yeah, but you work your socks off for them. You're exhausted. You're paying through the nose, okay, for those holidays. You get paid for 1,000. At the moment in time, from September, since I started doing this full time, I've got a profit of 32,536 and 43 pence. Will I be paying tax on that? Of course I'll be paying taxes on that, but I was also paying taxes on the 41,000 as a teacher. In fact, I was probably paying more than the simple ways you can actually get away with having a private and limited company. So therefore, that means that from January, I've got January, okay, I've got January all the way till August, okay, all the way to August for us. So January all the way to August, I've got 8 months to make 8,463 and 57 pence. If I do that, I've matched my teaching salary. The goal is 1.5 times what I made as a teacher to be making it as a full-time reseller. And I love it. Okay, that's the biggest thing for us, okay, how happy I am doing this. There's never a day that I'm actually bored in my garage doing what I love to do, which is pottering about, taking pictures, selling items, selling stuff that I actually want, getting stuff that I actually want, because I don't need to actually second guess myself. If I want something, I just buy it. I'll be honest with you, I'm actually quite a tight person. It's not as if I actually buy stuff all the time, but every now and then I like treating myself, okay? And buying a lightsaber is a nice little treat for us. So guys, I will be stopping the video for us here. And yeah, I mean, I guess you can say I'm a high school teacher that's actually escaped the 9 to 5. And I'll be honest with you, everyone can actually do this. Just a bit of patience. For me, it took 3 years before I could actually create this opportunity for me to get the freedom. The goal for me was to have 20,000 cash in my bank account. Okay, that's what I wanted. I had 20,000 cash on my business bank account, because that meant that if I spend 20, I can make 4. Spend 20, I can make 4, and so on. That was the goal. It's happening. I'm making more than 4,000, and I'm extremely happy in regards to what I'm doing. Yeah, to finish the video, I'm just going to say also just all this, as I said, okay, is very, very important. I'm paying my taxes, and all the taxes are being sorted by my e-commerce specialist accountant. Awesome. And if you want to actually make a start to this new year with having an accountant, a proper e-commerce accountant, I've got a link below for you where you can get up to 110 quid off your first month with them. But just to say a massive, massive thank you everyone for watching this channel. And if you can give a thumbs up, that'd be amazing. If you leave a comment, even brilliant, okay? You're so positive in the comments, so I'm really, again, forever grateful. So, thanks so much, everyone, and as always, keep drifting.